Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs in upwork.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and go to upwork.com, and we need to go ahead and create and complete your profile. So before you apply, you need an improved Upwork profile that shows you're a good fit for clients. So now once you're here for the first time, you need to sign up as I'm a freelancer, and then fill in all sections like title, overview, skills, education, work history, and portfolio. Also add a professional photo, headshot with good lighting, and list any relevant skills that match the type of work you want to do. Now, once you're completed your profile, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. So to search for jobs, it's going to have a little search bar here. Now put in the type of job you want to look for. So if you want to search for YouTube video editor, we can go ahead and hit enter, and then it's going to show you all of the relevant YouTube video editor jobs available. And now on the top of the page here, we can sort these by newest, relevance, client spend, and client rating, so you can filter these out like so. And then from here, scroll down and have a look at all the different jobs that matches your search. So here's one here, YouTube video editor, so you can see a quick summary of the job. And now once you've clicked into it, a pop-up's going to appear like this, so you can see a longer summary, you can see a fixed price, intermediate, you can look at the project type. This is a one-time project. If we keep scrolling down, it's going to give you some more information. Every job's going to be different, obviously. And then on the right hand side, you can see about the client and their spends and all the jobs they have posted, etc. Keep scrolling down, skills and expertise that's needed for the job, preferred qualifications, activity on the job. Now if you like this job, you can go ahead and save it, and then keep searching for other jobs and pick the best one out of the lot. But if you're happy with that job, go ahead and click on buy connects to apply. So this is going to take you to a new page. If you don't have any connects, you need to get connects to apply for this job. Now it will say your available connects. I've got 0. Select the amount you like to buy. So if I want to do 100 for 15 or 200 for 30, I'm going to do 200 for 30. Your account will be charged that plus tax. Your new connects balance will be 200 for my situation. Also we've got a promo code, so you can put in promo codes here. Click on buy connects. Once you've done that, you can go back and apply for the job. And also on the left hand side, we've got more things we can filter. So we've got experience level. So if you want entry level, go ahead and click onto that. Job type, hourly, you can choose your minimum and max hourly rate or fixed price. And also number of proposals, client info, client history, also their locations, time zones, and all this other stuff on the left hand side. So yeah, it's very basic how to apply for jobs in upwork.com.